Hi, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, and today we're going to talk about the 10 reasons why you should hire a mobile mechanic. Let's begin. Let's look at the notes. Number one, you could leave your keys and go about your business. When you go to a shop, you're not going to just leave your keys and go about your business. You're just going to leave the keys, but you're stuck into a shop and you can be there for hours if you have no ride while they get to your vehicle. And if they have plenty of vehicles in the parking lot, you're just going to have to wait your return, unfortunately. Number two, eliminates the need to drop your vehicle off and get transportation. With us coming to you, you don't have to do anything. Just answer the door, fill out a few things on our tablet, and we go ahead and start the repairs. And we're completely transparent. If the customer wants to stand there and watch us and ask questions, we're completely transparent. We want you to know because our philosophy, people before profit, and also what you don't know will cost you. Number three, it saves you time and money. A lot of our jobs, the person's at home cooking with their family, watching a football game, or they're literally at work and they can't lose any money by taking their vehicle somewhere and sitting with the vehicle, babysitting it, and wait for it to get back. We actually will sit there and do the vehicle right there on the spot at the convenience of you. Number four, reiterates what I just said on number three. We come to your home or we come to your business. Coming to your home, you're in your own environment, you're extremely comfortable. And if we come to your business, you're not worried about your car. You're only concerned about is what your employer is paying you to do. Number five, you have no reason to tow the vehicle. We will come directly to the vehicle of where the vehicle is at. As long as it's in a safe place, we'll come to the vehicle. Number six, it's convenient and saves you time. It's just like the way you want pizza, but you just don't feel like going to go pick it up. So you call and you have it delivered, and it comes to your house, and you enjoy yourself. Same thing with us. You don't feel like going to the mechanic shop and just sitting there. And if they have air conditioning for you to sit and watching some crazy stuff on TV, just looking at your phone, well, we'll actually come to you, and it also saves you time because you don't have to be exerting your time or just sitting there scratching your head about the car and the bill that's about to happen because we're straightforward and we don't charge per hour, we charge flat fees. And we're very transparent and we also ask permission before we do any kind of work. One of the things that people cannot stand, and I can't stand it either, is if you do a whole bunch of work and I never authorize you, and I'm thinking the bill's only going to be 100, and now I got $1,000 bill. Number seven, it's a faster turnaround, and we're focused directly on you. When you go to a shop, they're going to be focused on whatever car became before you. With us, you're the only person we're focused on. We're going to work on your car. We're going to talk to you only about your car, and you do not have to sit there and worry about standing in line or taking a number. Number eight, we offer different avenues for repairs and parts. If you're selling the vehicle, we'll tell you exactly what part to buy. Don't buy the best part if you're selling a vehicle. Buy the part that's in between that will save money and also will help the person who's buying it because you didn't buy anything crazy. Also, these parts are very expensive since coronavirus has come around. So we give you avenues, stuff like go to Amazon. People don't know Amazon. All you have to do is put the year, make, model, and engine size of your vehicle and the part you're looking for. Then go all the way back to the top and hit filter and get more information and put it in. And now you see the parts. For instance, I had a customer who had a radiator and for her Nissan, and they wanted almost $600-700 for a radiator. Told her to go to Amazon, and she spent less than 135 for the exact same radiator. Maybe a little different company, but it does the same exact thing. And you also go by the stars. Also, sometimes we will offer customers our commercial account if we need to help you. That is a choice that we do on our own. People don't know about that. Also, sometimes if you're really on a pinch and a budget, just go to the junkyard. But some parts you don't put from a junkyard, like spark plugs, stuff like that. But if you're in a pinch, you will go to a junkyard and get an alternator or a starter, and it will cost you half the money. Or you can go to eBay and get it used. Depends on what you want to do, but either way, we offer you different avenues. We're never going to tell you what to do with your money. We're never going to upsell you. We're going to be straightforward. This is what you need. You talk to us about your budget or where you're at in life, blah, 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 and we will offer you different avenues because people before profit and because that's what we choose to do. Number nine, you can stand there and watch and you can see what you're paying for. Some people are like, oh, I only paid $20 for this part, but you're charging so much. Well, unfortunately, that part, especially these new cars, is in an extremely hard area, and you can actually see where the part is at. You can even ask, what does the part do? Why is a starter costing me a lot of money in this Cadillac? Because we had to take your intake manifold off. This is what an intake manifold does, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And you can stand there and watch all the stuff that we have to take off just to take and change a starter. And sometimes Lexuses do it too, but you got to take the middle of the engine apart, top of the engine to get to the middle, just to change the starter. So what you don't know can cost you, and sometimes watching you get to understand why you were charged what you were charged. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that like button. Our Cash App is the Mobile Mechanic 757. Thank you.